1 minus 6 open bracket, 1 minus 6 close bracket. Look at it carefully. Do not rush. Many people see this and quickly say the answer is 25. Are they correct? Let's test it step by step. First, go inside the bracket. 1 minus 6 gives negative 5. So now the expression becomes 1 minus 6 times negative 5. Now this is where many people make a mistake. They move from left to right without respecting order of operations. If you subtract 1 minus 6, first you get negative 5. Then you multiply negative 5 by negative 5, and you get positive 25. That is why so many people proudly say 25. It looks correct. It feels correct. But it is completely wrong. Why? Because multiplication must be done before subtraction. Order of operations is the key. Brackets first, then multiplication, then subtraction. So let us restart and do it the correct way. Inside the bracket, we already have negative 5. Now multiply 6 by negative 5. 6 times negative 5 gives negative 30. Now the expression becomes 1 minus negative 30. And remember, subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. So 1 plus 30 gives 31. That is the real answer, 31, not 25. This is why math is not about speed, it is about accuracy. If you jump to 25, do not worry, you just learned something powerful today. Comment the correct answer before the end next time and challenge your friends to try it. If you enjoyed this brain-twisting math problem, and you want more videos like this that test your thinking, subscribe to the channel right now and turn on notifications so you never miss the next challenge.